Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 17th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound yen monthly, we are at the 178.6, which is definitely an area where wave 3 could end. There really is no proof that the wave 3 is over yet, but if it really is over, then we probably will start a big move to the downside for wave 4, and then eventually back up again for wave 5. But this wave 4 would potentially last maybe more than 6 months. So heading down to the weekly time frame, we do have a Fibonacci bounce. We do have a little bit of an engulfing move to the downside, but we don't have a breaker structure. We don't really have a lower high. The Fibonacci bounce and this little push down definitely doesn't prove that the move up is over. It easily could bounce from a fib level and just keep on trending up. So taking it down to the daily time frame, to me, especially on the pound yen, it still looks like a 1, 2, 3 to me. It still looks like this could be a wave 4 and it could go up again for a wave 5. But the daily time frame definitely did break to the downside, so I am looking for shorts on shorter time frames. If we don't get that, 1, 2, 3 shape with an impulsive move up on the shorter time frames, but instead it just keeps on going down, then I will just continue to look for shorts every chance I get on the shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely watching these Fibonacci levels very, very closely. If we do get that 1, 2, 3 shape, ABC shape down to a Fibonacci retracement level, then we get that double bottom 3, 4, 5 shape with a breaker structure. That is what's going to turn me back into a buyer for the continuation of the uptrend. If I don't see this picture, then I'll just continue to look for shorts on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, because of the daily roadmap time frame telling us that the trend is down now, I am definitely looking for shorts. Unless we see that picture like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, I'm doing nothing but looking for shorts at the end of every 1, 2, 3 pattern I see. 1, 2, 3 pattern, ABC up and pulse it down, especially if you get a Fibonacci bounce is exactly what I'm looking for more entries to go short for possibly the continuation of a big wave A of wave 4 on the very high time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.